Are you a businessman, or you want to start your own business, or you want to start your own e-commerce business? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can form your LLC. Because we all know that as a businessman, if you want to establish your business and you want your business to go globally, you want your business to be large, you don't want your e-commerce business to be so big, that means you need LLC. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can form your LLC, how you can create your LLC as a businessman, as a freelancer, as an e-commerce. In fact, if you need LLC, this video is for you, because LLC is what makes your business legit, and it's what makes your business to go globally. That is when you can start doing business from people in different countries in the world. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started. So, firstly, let me introduce this website for you called Doola. In this website, you can form your LLC, and it's not only about your LLC. As you can see, Doola says business in a box. Doola is for dollars. LLC formation, bookkeeping, business taxes, and e-commerce analysis. One platform, one point of contact, zero stress. So as you can see in Doola, you get your LLC, you get your bookkeeping, you get your business taxes, and also your e-commerce analysis. So now let's scroll down. Let me show you more things you need to know about this Doola, because this Doola will provide you with your LLC and everything you need to cover about your business. So now as you can see back, these are the other platform they are partner with. As you can see them here, these are platform they are also partner with. As you can see, your back office, as you can see, simplify. Each tool is powerful on its own, but together game changing. So it's a game changing, and it's one time and it's a platform which can also undo your business for you. They will help you form your LLC, do everything. Let me show you more things you need to know about this website before you get started. As you can see, US business formation. Skip the paperwork. We send to your business so you can start selling faster. So as you can see, in Doola, you can also get your US business formation. As you can see, your smart sales analysis, you get everything. You also get stress-free tasks. You don't need to be stressing yourself about tasks. Everything, Doola is going to undo everything for you. As you can see, simplest bookkeeping. As you can see, they also keep your document, your book. As you can see, business in a box. So these are more things you need to know about Doola. So this is their, as you can do it with Doola. Build your own dream. We undo the rest. Create account. So all you just have to do is just to click on create account. But before that, let me show you something. They have different type of package. When you click on pricing like this, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. If you are new in the business, all you just have to do is just to click I need a new US company. But if already exists, if you are already doing your own business, you have your business already, or you in the US, all you just have to do is just to click on I have a existing business, as you can see. But right now, let me just set you are coming to the business. You don't have a large business. Maybe you have a business, but you want to expand your business. Then the next thing you do, you click on I'm new. I need a new US business. Then you are going to see the different type of package which you need, and get started with Doola and you get all your information. As you can see, this is their first package, which is the starter, which is going for free business formation, register agent. You also get your own register agent and your virtual address, the essential to get a US business account. So this is going for $297 per month. That is per month you'll be paying $297, and they are going to handle everything for you. You also have the second package here, which you are going to pay $1,999 per year. As you can see, the difference is here. If you are going with the starter, you are going to be paying per month. But if you are going with the second package, you are going to be paying only once. If you pay once a year, that is it. You don't need to pay again. And for this second package, you get everything in starter. And also the DIY bookkeeping, business analysis software, CPA consultation, state and IRS tax filing, and more. So you get a lot of things in this their total package. And they also have their last package, which is going for $329 monthly. You get everything in total package 1, a duplicate woman bookkeeper for a accurate financial and peace. You can check them out. They have different type of package here. As you can see, this is their package here. Startup files here. This is what you get as a starter here. Format filing, as you can see, employer identification number, that is EIN. You get EIN automatically. If you pay for the starter, you get EIN, operating agreement, and corporation bills. As you can see, these are all things you get as a when you unlock their starter. And this is their second package here also, that is register as an agent. They are going to register you as a you have your own agent. As you can see, these are the benefits you get for the second package here. So this is this how this website work. Doola will help you handle your business, your EIN number, everything you need to know about business. So, and now I want us to check out something about them right now on this their website. There is something I want to show you guys. How people have been reviewing. As you can see, frequency questions. As you can see, what is Doola? You can check that. How do I need to be an US citizen to work with Doola? No, you don't need to. You can also check this their frequency questions and get your answers here. You see, click on show more, and you are going to get more information about them here. As you can see, these are also some of the platforms they are partnered with, like Shopify and more. These are some of the marketplace Doola is working with. So you can check more about it. How to open a bank account with Mercury. You can also get that here on Doola. E-commerce, accounting. You can also get that on Doola. So there are a lot of things which you can get here on Doola. So as a business owner, or you want to start your own business, you can try out. The link to this website will be in the description of this video. All you just have to do is just to click on it, and when you click on it, you click on start a free account. And when you click on start a free account, it's going to bring you to an interface like this to start register. And to register, all you have to do is to put your first name, your last name, you enter your phone number, your email address, you set your password. After you fill all your information, you click on sign up, and you are going to be signed up, and you are going to be registered. So after you are registered, you can start chatting with them. You can also chat them. When you click on this icon here, it will take you to where you can chat with their customer care support. When you chat with their customer care support, all your information, everything you want to discuss with them, you can also discuss with them online. And online 247, you can chat them and tell them how you want. You can chat them and tell them how you want everything you want to know about Doola. You can get them and start register your LLC information, expand your business as a business owner, as a freelancer. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.